Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our brand new YouTube channel, Fixing Our Way Home. We wanted to introduce ourselves. I'm Steve. This is my wife, Lisa. We also wanted to explain why we opened this YouTube channel, why we're doing what we're doing, and to explain what you might find by viewing the channel going forward. So Lisa and I, originally from the North. We met in high school, been married for 30 plus years, moved to Florida many years ago, I'd say over maybe a quarter century ago. Our kids were just babies then, now they're grown. That is part of the reason that we're looking to move on, is that our children have grown up, they've started to have grandkids, they live in different areas. Fortunately, our kids essentially all live in one area together, and it is hours from here, but it's a hassle to continue to drive back and forth. Lisa and I have been looking to relocate anyhow. This area that we're in, when we first moved here, was very quiet, very private, and now it has just exploded over the past 25 years with people. We have probably upwards of 200,000 people at Christmas time in this area, and it's just so congested you can't even move. I don't even think there was a Walmart. Remember?
No, there were like 3 Walmarts now.
Yeah, now we have 3 Walmarts, the Home Depot, Lowe's, all of them are here, and more coming every day. And so many people, we just need to get back to a place where we can breathe a little bit, where there's a little bit of room to move. So we're moving to an area, fortunately it's outside of where my kids live, but close enough that it's easy to get to. But comparatively, there's maybe 2,000 or 3,000 people at Christmas time where we're moving. So you saw the photo of the home that we intend to rehab. That's a big part of what you're going to see on this YouTube channel. There at the beginning, when you clicked on there, in the circle was a picture of the home that we're going to rehab. It's an old historic 4 square. Here in Florida, they call them Florida crackers. I don't know why. We're going to also investigate the history of the house. Its original owners, who we understand was a man named Mr. Hunt, who built it in 1907. We'll explore that. We're in touch with a lot of locals that have some information, maybe even some old photos of what the house looked like back then. Other reasons why we're doing what we're doing, aside of the
population,
the population here exploding, and the fact that our children have moved and taken our they didn't even start having grandkids till after they moved, and we want to be close to them so that we don't miss those moments when the children are very young. Another reason, there's a couple other reasons. 2020 hit us hard with COVID. We had some losses there. Hurricanes have hurt us. Ian, we're getting older. It's harder for us to recuperate or to rebound from the effects of a big hurricane, not like we did when we were young. And the economy, of course, as well, has also been an issue for us lately here in Florida. It's almost as though in our area specifically, with the interest rates the way they are, the housing market is, I would say, nil. I don't even think there is one. Realtors that we've known for 20 years are having to get jobs and get out of that field, leave the industry completely, yeah, because there's just nothing selling right now. So that's one of our big issues, and we'll go over some of that through the channel as well. The house you're seeing behind us is not the home that we're going to be remodeling that you saw.
It's our current home.
In the picture, which we'll show you some videos of. This is our current home,
which we love very much.
Very nice home. And we did think at one time that this would be our last home, our forever home. I didn't think we'd have to move again. I don't like the idea of doing it, but that's what we're going to do. We just can't do it yet until the house that you saw, the old historic home, is fixed up to a point where we can actually move in it. That means we've got to get floors done.
Right, because the house was empty for 8 years. The former owners loved their home, and we are hoping that we can bring it back to its former glory.
That's the plan. It's going to take who knows how long, could be years. Some of the videos that my wife has been editing and getting ready for the channel are videos of work that we had done previously. We do not live there, so we have to travel hours to get there to do any work. Some of the work will be done by outside contractors. A lot of it will be done by us. I do have the ability,
jack of all trades,
to do a lot of the work myself, especially a lot of the interior remodeling, which we'll see in later on videos. A lot of the early videos are exterior remodels, and some of that's been being done by outside contractors, though I try to do as much of the work as I can that I can handle. But this one being a super tall, high 2-story building with 3-story dormers. It's a little tricky for me to reach everything. You know, you need scaffolding and stuff that only the professionals have. That's not worth me putting an investment in.
So
in any case,
it is a little frustrating with us not being able to be there. So like when something goes in that, like the air conditioners, we couldn't be there. So we don't have the amount of video that I would like, that we would both like. But because we have jobs here, we are limited to it's like we work at work and then we drive up and work there for a couple of days and we come back down and go to work again. So it's been a little rough, but it's so well worth it.
We will get past this portion. Once we actually make the move, it will get easier. We'll be able to focus all of our time on the repairs and showing all of you that process. But until then, bear with us. We are new at this. Our videos look probably a little primitive, but our editing process is getting better.
It's getting better.
As time goes forward. We've got better equipment now too. To be honest, I didn't think we would be doing this at all when we first started this process. She mentioned to me that she wanted to try to do something like this, and at first I sort of laughed the idea away. But as we got further on, I started to realize that this could be a reality, and that I would really appreciate showing all of you the remodel of this old historic home. I think it'll be fun. So with that being said, welcome again to the channel, Fixing Our Way Home. Now that you know who we are and why we're doing what we're doing, perhaps we'll have some fun along the way, showing you guys what it is that we're doing, and maybe we'll all learn something at the same time.
And if you can, leave a comment. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, especially after you've seen the videos, and of course, if you do like them, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you don't, then let us know that too, so we know how to change it.
Or how to improve.
And how to improve, that's all. And other than that, welcome to the channel again, and you'll see videos hopefully once every week, 2 weeks. I'm not exactly sure of the time frame yet, but as often as we can put a video out,
Yep.
we will to show you the process. Okay, and enjoy, everybody. All right,
Thank you so much.
We're hoping you like this. Thank you, and we'll
Bye.
see you next time. Take care, everyone.